Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my channel, where we drop back to back weekly analysis. This is your brother UD, the CEO of Pips to Dollar FX. I am on Instagram. As UDFX. I have a channel on the Telegram where I drop free signals every week. That is what we do there. So the links will be in the description of this video. You can check it out. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. This is a very good place to be because here I drop weekly analysis, what I think the market will do, where I think the price will go to, and all that. So if you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please do well to hit on the subscription button and also on the post notification bell, so that in every time I post new videos like this, you will always be updated. And also like and share the video because it helps in YouTube algorithm. So if you have done that, all right, let us hop into the main deal of the week. Now here with me, I want to actually look at three pays if time will permit, because I don't always like my video being long, but I always like it to be insightful and educating. So I want to look at three pays. The first one here is the EURGBP here. Last week was a very great week because on his EURGBP I got this big move. Hit my first take profit, hit the second one. It was a very nice one. How did I get that move? Look at it here. Market was using this place as resistance. See it here, once, twice, thrice, fourth time, fifth time, all this sixth time. So it was using that place as resistance. So market eventually broke out of that level. So I was now waiting for a retest to that level. So when that happened, that was when I joined the market, and in less than no time the market just skyrocketed up to this point, and it was a very big move. I made a lot of money there. Right now I was waiting for this price to go counter trend. So what I'm going to expect from this trade now is a counter trend move. I want to take that counter trend move because it can be profitable. This particular point that you are seeing, this particular area, was where I was waiting for the price to make that counter trend movement back to this one. Because if you observe this price, you see that it has started making, after breaking this high, this resistance, it has started making higher highs and higher lows. So from this point now, this is a low, higher low, this is a high, so we have made another higher high here. So we should come back here to make a lower low. Then from there we can still push further if the market is still going to push further. So what am I expecting now? I'm expecting this price to drop from this particular point, here, drop down to here, then move up. So how did I know that this point was actually going to reverse the price? How did I know? That is what I use, that I call the nice, when I spot a nice trading zone, well, that is a nice support and resistance. Because if you look at this point now, you will see that price bounce there, use there as support, use here as resistance, use here as support, use here as resistance. So that area has been tested so many times in the past. So I am on the 4 hours time frame, don't forget that. So when I look at that point, I say, okay, fine, this price might bounce back from this area down to here before it continues. So that is where I am right now. And from the look of things, it has started showing us some bearish sign of movement. If you look at the last 4 hours here, we have this shooting star that is being formed here, this shooting star that is being formed there. So I'm expecting the price to continue down here, then move up. So I'm going to take that sell if when the market opens it gives me enough reason to enter. So I do my top down analysis. I move down to 1 hour time frame. If you can look at this 1 hour time frame, you will see that this move was an impulse movement. Look at how bearish the candles were. It was an impulse movement, and look at how this movement is now. So that this should tell you that this is just a correction, because 80% of the time here market was impulsing, but 20% of the time here market is retracing. So that point is actually a retracement here. so retracement, and it forms an ascending type pattern which will always break down. So right now here, and I use my Fibonacci also for a confirmation to see where actually this price is turning from after this big impulsing movement. So I discovered that price is turning from the 61.8 Fibonacci level, the 61.8 Fibonacci level, and the last 1 hour candlestick gave us this bearish engulfing. So many confirmation right there that the price is still going to head lower. Yeah, if you look at 15 minutes, right here, you will notice what I just said. Look at here, look at this price, making this ascending type pattern right here, so it just broke out here. So what am I waiting for? Price to maybe get back here for a retest. After retesting there, I will now join the sell. So that is basically what I'm expecting from Euro GBP to sell down to my zone of making another higher low. So from this point now, I will now look for another buying opportunities up. So guys, that is that for Euro GBP. Let me move to another pair here. I have here is GBPUSD. So if you can see now, this is on the 4 hours chart. Also, this price is moving down, it's going downward. Look at this, we bounce there, we come back here, we made a little consolidation here and breakdown. So what I'm expecting right here is, look at it here. You see this point now, see this particular area now, see the candlestick that broke it, see that candlestick that broke that area. Now initially I was expecting this price to, from here, from this particular point, to push up to retest this previous low point, but it did not. And look at 1 hour, what happened at that point. Look at this type of consolidation, sideways movement that occurred here, with a very big massive candlestick breaking down. See, so now what I'm expecting is, as this price is right here, now, I'm expecting it to fall from this point. But if it breaks this point and goes upper, this is another area that I'm waiting for a sell. But I believe the price is going to bounce out from this area because of this big move that happened previously. And if you can observe it with me, you notice that this price is about to make a double top around this zone. Double top here is about making a double top there. So if that double top confirmation, if that double top is confirmed when the market opens, I will hop into the trade as a sell. My first take profit will be this low, and my second take profit will be down. Okay, that is that for Euro GBP USD. Look at this consolidation. This is where it's giving me that that's where it's giving me the confidence to hop into that trade. And another confirmation will be if this double top is confirmed. Like you see, price move, it has made the first top. So if it goes back to make a second top right here and gives me another reason to enter, I will now jump into the trade as a sell. So guys, that is that for GBP USD. Another one that I wanted to look at is the Euro CHF. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Now I was looking at this trade since last week. I was looking at it because I saw price is going lower on the 4 hours time frame here. The trend is down, here, and this line that you are seeing me drawing, this red line now, is a daily time frame support. Let's go to the daily time frame. It's a daily time frame support. Look at this place that made a double bottom here on the daily time frame. So price may possibly bounce up from that area, but I can take that little buy, I can take that little sell that is going to occur when the market opens. That is around here, around this point, now, going down. that might not be really profitable, but it can still help, so you see how I mark out that area. Sorry, look at how I mark out that area. Price made something like this here, broke down, came back to a retest. It should go down, from that point. So all you need to do is just go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, and see. So this would have been, I missed out in the trade already, I think. So this would have been a nice point to enter the sell, something around here. That would have been a nice area to enter the sell. But nevertheless, if it comes on, if when market opens it shows me a nice stuff to enter, I will hop into the trade. So guys, those are the 3 pairs I am currently looking at when the market opens. So if you find this video very educating, you can share it and like the video, subscribe, join my Telegram channel, where all these analysis I will drop those signals once they are set on my Telegram channel, so that my subscribers can make use of it. It is free. I'm not charging any dime. It is free, so you can join it. The link to the channel is in the description of this video. You can join it, because this is what I do week to week. This is what I do. I analyze the chart and show you my possible thoughts about the price. So that's where we are going to stop for today. Till next video, please. This analysis is just for education purpose, not that you should go and trade, because before I enter a trade I must see some confirmations that I want, some confirmation that I teach my students, and once we see it, that is where we can hop into the trade. So you can only take this as a tutorial video, so that you can also learn and know what I know, because this might also help you to be able to predict the market, to predict the direction and make a trading decision on your own. So I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Thank you very much.